Hello, 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 everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. Thank you so much for joining us today. We got Happy Mail. I'm so excited. I kind of know what it is. Well, I do know what it is, but the other day I was watching a video from Miss Gina from Gina's Turnpike, and I will I can't think of the word I want. I will I'll put a link to her YouTube channel down below. I know most of you guys already know it, but I so enjoy watching her channel because she knits the most beautiful shawls you have ever seen. And I know she does other things as well, but it's the shawls that I think of. And if you guys are interested, and I'll link that as well. Sometime last year, we had her on as one of our guests. She was one of our guests that we interviewed. So I will also link that. And we had a wonderful time visiting with Miss Gina. So the other day, she did a giveaway, and she had several things that she was giving away, all kinds of luscious yarn, and I was lucky enough to win one of the yarns that she was giving away, and so I know that's what's in here. So let's open it up and take a look and see what it is. I'm so excited. It's wrapped up in this beautiful paper, and I remember when she showed these yarns. I remember when she showed these yarns, I thought this one, they were all beautiful. I was super excited hoping to be able to win any of them, but this one in particular was one that I really loved, and you'll see why here in a second. So included in here are some knit stitch markers, and they're vintage gold glass. Gosh, these are pretty. They're knit because they're round and they don't open up. They don't have a clasp on them. So with the crochet ones, we like the clasp, so the project keepers, so they can hook on. But I have been doing some knitting, so these are going to come in very, very handy. And oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Amanda Hope yarn. So Amanda Hope was the name of the person where the yarn came from. I think she must be the person who does the dyeing. I think she's the dyer. And this is, look at this. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? This is it's called Aussie Extra Fine Sock Yarn with nylon. So the thing with sock yarn is you can have fingering weight yarn and it not be a sock yarn. Sock yarn needs to have some nylon mixed in with it to give it the strength that you want a sock yarn to have. So this is a fingering weight yarn with 4 plies, and I still get confused about that, but I think that's how many strands are mixed in with it. Don't quote me on that. I still get confused with that. Each mini, so you've got 5 minis in here. Each mini is 20 grams, approximately 80 meters. So each one of these has 88 yards. Okay, so altogether this is equal to 100 gram skein. So it's 85% super wash extra fine merino and 15% nylon yarn. So this is perfectly fine sock yarn. I cannot imagine how you would use this for socks because of the gradient. I don't know. I don't make socks. I want to make socks, but I don't know how you could do that. Maybe in the way that you ball it up, that must be, but I don't know. This is stunning. Look at those gorgeous colors. Isn't that so, so pretty? So, so pretty. Hand dyed in Texas in small batches, spun in Italy. Hand wash cold, dry flat, of course. Of course, of course. Oh. Oh, this is so soft. This is so squishy and soft and stretchy and bouncy. This is so wonderful. There's a sticker in here too. It says, I like to party, and by party, I mean knit. Well, for me, it's more crochet, but I'm learning to knit. I'm learning. Oh my gosh, this is so wonderful. So wonderful. And these colors are like cocos and tans, and then they kind of go into the beiges and almost pinks. So pretty. Oh, I love this. Australian merino. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, wait, there's more. And then, because Gina is Gina, she threw this in as well. And this is a signed pooling gradient. I have no idea how that's going to work. And it's called aubergine contrast. Aubergine is a fancy word for purple. And you know me and my purples. So this is one of the reasons I got super excited about this. Sorry about the crinklies. Sorry. So the name of these are Marvelous, Muskmallow, French Lavender, and Oyster. Again, Aussie extra fine sock with nylon, so it's the same as the other one. Fingering weight, superwash with the nylon. So it's exactly the same as the other one, just different colors. Assigned pooling gradient. I don't know how, see, I don't know enough about this. I don't know how that's gonna be, but how luscious is that? Look at those gorgeous colors. Oh my gosh, I can't think of anything more beautiful than that. Oh my gosh. So, oh, the squish. I don't know what to do with these. Okay, you guys. So now we have 80 yards, almost just shy of 2. So we've got 180 grams. Yes, we have 180 grams of this luscious, beautiful. Now, and they look great together, right? Don't they look wonderful together? I think they do. But you know me, I'm color challenged. So I need your help, guys. What can I do with this? I don't think sock. I don't know. I need your help. What can I make out of this lovely, luscious yarn? It's too stunning. It's just all too stunning. Okay, so I need your help. I need your suggestions. What can I do with this? Knit or crochet. I need your help. So we're just shy of 2 full skeins. 2 full, so we've got 180 grams. And so how many yards is that? Oh dear, that's gonna take more math than I can do in my head. What did it say? These were 88. So let's assume the same on these. So that's gonna be 88 times 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 88 times 9. So we've got 792 yards-ish. Okay, what can I make? Gina, thank you so much. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. Oh, there's something else in here. I missed it. It's in the back over here. Oh, it's another stitch marker. It's a little, can you see that? It's a little fleur, it's not showing up. It's a little fleur de lis. I'm having a hard, I know what it is, I'm just having a hard time saying the word. There we go. There we go. There. Fleur de lis. stitch mark there. So pretty. Oh my gosh, there's just so many cool things in here. It seems like that is maybe her little symbol. Oh, it is. It's absolutely her little symbol there. So I'm going to have to go online and look her up. Amanda Hope Yarn. And so she must be out of Texas. And you know I like the things that come out of Texas. And I will also put a link to her stuff down in the description box below. So thank you so very much, Miss Gina. I really, really appreciate this. I'm always so excited. So Gina's Turnpike, and I may even be saying that wrong. I should have looked up before I started. I'm so bad with names, you guys know that, but you know who I'm talking about. And I will attach her information down below, and please go check her out if you have not already. Her stuff is stunning, absolutely stunningly beautiful. And thank you again. See you guys later. Bye-bye.